Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy baby Dogecoin on Binance. Alright, let's begin. To buy baby Dogecoin, note that it is not listed on the Binance market, but you can still purchase it. First, open the Binance application and go to the Web3 wallet. Next, scroll down a little bit and click View. Search for baby Doge. Now click on baby Doge. Since you cannot buy it directly, you need to swap tokens. Click the swap option in the middle of the screen. Choose the token you want to exchange. If baby Doge is on the Ethereum network, it is best to swap from Ethereum or USDT. Enter the amount you want to spend, and you will see how much baby Doge you will receive. Review the provider details and network fees, then confirm the swap. Once completed, baby Dogecoin will appear in your wallet. So that's basically how you can buy baby Dogecoin on Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.